Right, what you need to do once both the arms have stuffed, just at the top, you just need to catch it. All right, so you're basically going to sew it up. So just do it like you've done all the others. And just stitch that up. And that's it. We are ready to be attaching the arms to the body. Right, what I've done, I've sewn the top of each arm and then I've pinned it one row down from the neck. And then you just eye it in to put them. Make sure that the seam from the arm, okay, is going towards the body. Can you see? Towards the body like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sew each arm on, okay? If it's easier and you want to put the other arm on afterwards before sewing, you can do that, but this is the way I suggest you do it. So basically, you've got your arm there, and then you're just going to catch it, right? So we're just going to catch it on. So again, come through. Make sure you come through both sides of the arm. And just pull it. Sometimes it's a bit tough getting because it's stuffing. So basically there. So just pull it through, right through. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull it right there and we're going to catch it. All right, so go back through. So show you that way. So come back through it. And do that once again. This is sort of holding it in place. Okay, because we're going to go back through to the other arm as well. So it's going to make it secure. So again, just it's tough sometimes because it's stuffing. So you're going to come through. And then what you're going to do is you're going to catch it. So like an overstitch. So go through both sides of the arm. Like that. And then you're just going to catch each arm. So just pull it. So again, let me just do it from this side if it helps as well. So through both sides of the arm. So we're catching the arm on. This is not that difficult really, because I think what it is, it's just making sure it's secure. That's the key thing. Just making sure that it's secure. That's what we need. We don't want the arm dropping off, do we? So again, up there, through here. If it gets a bit tough, it's because it's stuffing, so don't worry about it. Just give it a bit of a twinge, and then we're through. All right. So that's that. So we'll go back through here. That's that. Right, so what we're going to do now is, let me just pull that, just go a bit tight there. There we go. Put that on. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go through to the other side, to the other arm. So basically you're going to go straight through to the front of the arm. Just a bit of manoeuvring. There we go, straight through. Okay, so now we're at the other side. So just pull that. So we're at the other side. So you're going to do exactly the same with the overstitch. It's easy if I put that down there for you. So just see it doing another overstitch. If you want to go underneath the arm as well, you can stitch underneath the arm, but because you're securing it at both ends, it will be fine. But if you just feel happy and you want to make sure it's 110% secure, then that's what you need to do, all right? So, for your own peace of mind. So, we'll just put that on there like that. Can you see how easy this is, though? So, let me take that pin out now because we're all right. So, we'll just come from this end and go down into it that way. So, just back through there. Can you see we're nearly? Yep. Just another there. That arm is really, really secure. it's not going to come off. But if you want to go underneath, I'll show you what to do with underneath if you want to do that. So you can just catch it again underneath. So again, it's a bit tough sometimes because it's got the stuffing in it. So we'll pull that through there like that. And then again, just an overstitch. So you come back through. If you feel better doing that and it's, you feel better, it's more secure, but it is secure, honestly. But it can come underneath as well. So that's that. Just move the pin out of the way. And then we'll just pull it. Just one more bit there. That's that. Right, so what we're going to do now is, that's that bit. So we'll just put that there. Just keep pulling that down. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through to the other side again. So through, right through the stuffing, right through to the other side. And you're going to repeat that, going through to the other side for a couple of times so that it's really, really secure. Can you see? Don't pull it too tight, it's going to pull it in even, but just nice, okay? So there we go. That pulls it like that. All right, and then just underneath if you feel you want to do that. So we'll go back underneath. And that's all you need to do for attaching the arms. So the next stage that we're going to do is we're going to do the face. So that's all you need to do. Let's go finish that off. I'm going to finish that off and then we're going to go to the face.